shepherd pie really easily in less than 30 minutes, and I will use two Tupperware cooking system. The first one is the stack cooker, and the second one is the Ultra Pro. So I will prepare my shepherd pie in my stack cooker, and I will grill the potato in my Ultra Pro. So first of all, as we cook usually, I will use my big chopper, and I will chop the onion, because usually we put onion on the beef. It's really easy. So the chopper is like my best friend in my kitchen, and I'm able to cut rapidly. We'll also cut some frozen fruit, so you can do your smoothies with it. It's also cutting the carrots. So I just took some advance. We place the potato in the 6 liter, and this is the strainer. So I will remove the grease from the beef inside. So I will just put back like this, and on the top I will add the onion that is already chopped, that will give a better taste to the meat with the Tupperware spatula. And I will add, that's one of my secret, is the steak spice that I will add to my shepherd pie. I will mix it together. And I will place it at 100% in the microwave for 20 minutes. One thing is important. If I place the lid and I align the handle on the same size, everything will boil. But I want that my meat become grilled, so I will place the lid as a cross, and the meat will grill. So we'll see each other in the next 20 minutes. It smells good. So as we see, the meat is very cooked. I will undo it in pieces. All of the extra grease is in it. I'll double check, and the potato are cooked. So first of all, I will pour all of the meat in the Ultra Pro. So the Ultra Pro is a container who goes directly from the freezer, the microwave, and the oven. So I will be, it's insulated in plastics. I will be able to grill my mashed potatoes with the oven as you do your actual mashed potatoes. And so you cannot put it at broil, but it will go until 482 Fahrenheit. And so it's very secure. And the beauty of this container is nothing glue on it. So it's really perfect. So I will add a little bit of beef of Bovril. Not a lot. And I will also put some, and I will mix it. That will give a nice taste. I make sure the whole of the meat is really well cut in smaller pieces. And I will add the cream corn on it. So some cream corn, and also I mix both the cream corn and the regular one. So the regular are kept in my freezer. So I just have to pour the corn on it. So it's wonderful. And the last step is to match the potato. So before I start to match the potato, I will cut my green onion in my bigger chopper. I use the same because it's going to the same recipe. You have to know that the cover is you're able to unclip it. So with a little citrus peeler, orange peeler, I will put the orange peeler in this area and I will just open it so it's really easy to clean and wash. When you clean the blades, you never put the blades inside of the sink with a lot of water because make sure you will cut yourself. So the blade always goes on the top of the sink to make sure you see it, and when you wash it, you look at it. And I will just add my green onion to my potato. And I will mash the potato. I had salt and I will also add pepper. And I will finalize my mashed potato. If you want it more creamy, you just have to pour some cream on it. And it will also improve the taste. With the spatula, I can remove everything, so I have any lost. And I will just have to add the potato on the top. Look at it. And the shepherd pie is ready. Maybe you would like to see the result from the previous one. And look. Ready to eat.